Bro, I thought you got a new car. What is this piece of junk?
Bro, chill. It's not that bad.
Bro, it doesn't even have Apple CarPlay in it. Here, bro, use this universal Apple CarPlay. It works in any car. All you have to do is stick it on and then plug it into a cigarette lighter. So it works in any old piece of junk just like this.
And it connected to my phones. Wait, all my apps and music are on there?
Yeah, you can make phone calls, send text messages, get directions, and whatever music app you use is going to automatically show up on here with all your songs and stuff.
That's freaking sweet. Wait, does it have Siri too? I don't want to do this while I'm driving.
Yeah, it has built-in hands-free Siri. You can get directions, play music, anything hands-free.
What? Where'd you get that?
I got it on TikTok.
How much?
It's on sale for less than $40 right now.
Can you send me the link?
Yeah, I'll send you the link and I'll put the link down there.